Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how I make my egg salad, potato salad, keto mixture. You'll need bacon, avocado, mayonnaise. I already got my eggs hard boiled, mustard, and I'm working on my jalapeno right here. So I'm going to fire roast the jalapeno. Turn that up. What you do is you get it to where it's essentially charred and blistered on the sides all the way around, and then what you'll do is once it's all charred and black, so once the whole thing looks like that, then you'll stick it in this bag for a few minutes and let it steam and soften up. So we'll catch you back when this is all blackened and in the bag. Okay, check that out. Yummy. Drop that in the bag. Close it up. Let it steam for a bit. Next, I will grab a bowl. So now I'm going to peel my hard-boiled eggs. Lost my camera girl. So, got my eggs all deshelled. And what I'm going to do now is I will cut up my avocado. This little avocado dealie is a sweet little tool. So, got the avocados cut up in there. And if you want, you can throw your bowl on the scale and weigh everything as you add it in, so you know your macros exactly. I've made this so many times that I have a really good idea of how much stuff I put in. So next is the bacon. Okay, so for this time I will weigh the mayo as I put it in the bowl. Show you kind of how I do that in case you don't know. So one serving is 13 grams. So I'll do 5 servings, which would be 1, 2, 10, 65 grams of mayonnaise, which would be 50 grams of fat. That's how you fatten it up real easy with 0 carbs. It's pretty awesome. So I'll show you. Start with everything off, or you can just zero it out right there. Okay, we're already on grams. You take your mayo and add it in. A little bit more. Boom. Oh, a little too much. That's okay. It's not going to kill me. Okay, got the mayo in. Now it's time for mustard. It says 0 carbs in it. This is a flavor to taste. Okay. Then I'll add salt and pepper and red pepper flakes to flavor. Before I mix everything together, jalapeno should be ready to go, and I'll dice it up. I like it chunkier with my jalapeno, so I'll slice it in half lengthwise, and then half again, so it'll be quarters, and then dice it up. Okay, once we get all these chopped up, we will add it into the mixture. To use to mix up my egg salad, I guess it's a potato masher. So We'll just come in here. This is a mixture. We got our jalapenos, mayo, mustard, bacon, avocado, and egg. We'll just come up and mix that up. My beautiful camera girl can get a shot of this up top. There we go. So, what I can do now, or what I like to do, is dip pork rinds into this and eat it with pork rinds. And also another thing I like to do is you take the romaine lettuce, cut the end off of it, and you can put a little bit more mayo if you need to fatten it up more. And then you put the egg salad and some cheese over top, and it's just like an egg salad boat. That's probably my favorite. It's delicious. So give that a try. If you like these videos, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think. This is delicious. And like the loaded broccoli, it's all dependent on your appetite and how much you need to add into each, whether you want to do 3 eggs, half an avocado, or 10 eggs and 2 avocados. But hope you like it. Thanks for watching.